She's about to become a big sister.And Chrissy, Teigen and John legends. Adorable little girl Luna couldn't have looked any cuter in her panda-themed beanie as she headed out with her family for a grocery run in Los Angeles on Tuesday. Pregnant Chrissy, 32, carried her little girl in her arms as the growing family of three braved the downpour. Little Luna was bundled up in a fluffy jacket and soft blue leggings as she clung to her mother. Doting dad John followed close behind in a leather jacket and jeans. After their shopping trip, John stepped out of the store, pushing a cartload of groceries as his girls followed close behind. Chrissy and John are expecting baby number 2.The Sports Illustrated Swimsuit model announced her pregnancy to her fans in November, sharing a sweet video of Luna inspecting her belly bump. She says baby Luna is also developing an interest in music, much like her famous father. Chrissy and John married in Lake Como, Italy, in September 2013 and welcomed Luna in April 2016.